In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively use the COT indicators on TradingView to enhance your trading strategy. By the end of this session, you'll have a deeper understanding of how to interpret commitment of traders' data and incorporate it into your market analysis routine. Let's begin by opening a chart of any financial instrument on the TradingView platform. This initial step is crucial as the chart provides the foundation on which we'll layer additional data. As you familiarize yourself with TradingView, you'll notice it offers a versatile interface to explore numerous financial instruments and tailor your trading workspace. Once your chart is up and running, direct your attention to the top of the screen where you'll find the Indicators button. Click on it to access a whole world of analytical tools, exactly where you'll find the COT data indicators. In the search bar that appears, type COT, CFTC data, or something more specific like COT non-commercial net positioning. These terms will help you locate the precise COT indicator you need. Selecting the right search terms can narrow down your options and make the process more efficient. When the list of community-developed indicators appears, take a moment to choose one that aligns with your trading requirements. Click on your selected indicator to add it to your chart. This is where the magic happens, allowing COT data to overlay onto your charting analysis visually. Remember, these scripts are the creative efforts of TradingView's vast community, providing tools to display data that isn't natively supported on the platform. It is important to recognize the types of data these indicators show. They typically include information about different market participants, such as non-commercials, which are large speculators like hedge funds and investment banks. There are also commercials, who are typically hedgers directly involved in the physical commodity market, and then, of course, there are small traders, referring to individual retail traders. Understanding these categories helps in interpreting market sentiment and potential movements. Each of these indicators also allows for customization, so feel free to adjust them to your preferences. You can change colors, choose to display the zero level, and even include options data if you want a more detailed analysis. Making these tweaks might seem minor, but they can significantly enhance your chart's readability. Keep in mind that COT data is released on a weekly basis, so it's most useful when viewed on daily or weekly charts. This time frame will provide you with more meaningful insights as opposed to shorter time frames, which might not capture the essence of the data accurately. Finally, while COT data is a powerful indicator of market sentiment, it should be used in conjunction with other tools such as technical analysis, support and resistance levels, and trend analysis. It's a long-term sentiment indicator and may not always provide short-term trading signals. By combining these methods, you can develop a comprehensive and robust trading strategy. So there you have it, a straightforward guide to navigating and utilizing COT indicators on TradingView. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't hesitate to explore these tools further to refine your approach. Thank you for watching, and happy trading.